Next page is page number 18. The same topic, a and an. The first picture is inkpot. Inkpot start from e, so that's why we put here an before inkpot. The next picture is arrow. Arrow start from a, so that's why we put here an before arrow word. The next picture we have door. Door start from d. This is a consonant, so that's why we put here a. Next is ball. Ball start from b. B is consonant, so that's why we put here a. Next is butterfly. Butterfly start from b. You have to put here a before butterfly. The last picture we have is ostrich. Ostrich start from o, so that's why we put here an, because ostrich start from o. O is vowel sound. Yes. Thank you, students.